Welcome to Gen AI, your ultimate AI-powered partner for IELTS success. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. Online face-to-face speaking practice, practice tests and mock exams, AI-enhanced support, real-time feedback. Dashboard, access exam results and practice tests for authorized person. Authentication, ensures only authorized person can take every exam. Helper bot, assists with queries. Monitoring, tracks real-time exam activity, including the number of times the user turns or moves. Test result, receive your result directly in your email. Tutor bot, provides personalized IELTS practice and feedback based on individual person. To take IELTS online, all you need is a laptop, desktop, mobile phone, tablet, private space, silent, reliable internet connection. IELTS exam consists of 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, speaking. With same timing, same format, same method, same question. You can now take it anywhere to make it anywhere. Thank you. I truly appreciate the time and effort you're invested.